action!
Hi again, Jonjo here doing another art session for DMU. Today I've got
Amelia,
Olivia,
Archie, Izzy,
and Polly.
and we're going to make what are we making?
a bird feeder.
Bird feeders. Right, so we're going to use our usual recycling materials, all the stuff we've been collecting for the last few weeks.
A bottle.
Yeah,
Cardboard.
cardboard.
Tubs. Jars.
Well, we're going to get creative, so whatever we use, we'll show you guys how to do it.
Recycling is when we take old trash and turn it into something new.
Right, I'm going to be using these two plastic bottles and I'm going to cut the bottom off of here, so I'm not going to use the top, and then I can stand this plastic bottle in the bottom.
Alright, I'm going to use this butter tub and this bottle. So I'm going to cut the top off, put some seeds in. Then I might make a little drawbridge that comes out so the birds can tiptoe in.
I'm gonna use these two things, and I'm gonna. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet.
I'm going to use a tub and a empty bottle thing and put it on a slant so the feed falls out.
First, we're going to take our labels off.
But we're going to keep those labels because we might use them in another art club. We don't know yet. Okay, what do we do to them next?
We're going to, so we might use some scissors to
Yeah.
cut off the tops.
And what do we know about using scissors, guys?
Always get someone to help you.
Get someone to help you using scissors if you're not good with them.
Amelia, I need that. How do I do it? I'll do it. Dad, can you cut this for us, please?
I'm on my way. Come on then.
Always get an adult to help, guys.
Who's got the scissors? Thank you. Right, where do you want it cutting? How are we going to do yours? I think you should put yours in the middle like this. Okay? So yours just needs to be glued. So we're good with yours, Amelia.
Mine needs to be glued on the edge and cut.
So yours needs to be cut. Now I've already cut one flap like this. Okay? So on the other side, on this side, we'll
No,
cut this side, we'll cut another flap. So, super careful, watch your hands. This way or the same as that?
Yeah, same as that.
Okay. So when you're cutting, if you're using a knife, definitely get an adult to do it. Okay? Because it's dangerous. I mean, it is quite simple. But, okay.
And always get an adult to help you.
Always get an adult to help you, definitely.
There's yours cut. Okay, that was yours.
Archie, scissors.
Yeah, so I just want the same as Amelia's.
So you want a flap cutting open?
Yeah.
So why don't we do yours a bit different and we'll do it on the corner? Like so. There you go. So you hold on to that. Izzy,
Cut it like there.
just
Cut
straight
the
across,
top off.
just the whole,
No, cut
the whole
top
top.
off. Yeah.
That makes it easier.
So just watch what you're doing. If you're using a blade, very careful with it. If you're using scissors or a blade, get someone to help you, okay?
So for this we're going to use a glue gun. So it basically just melts the glue and it goes all sticky.
You can get them from the craft shop for about £3 or something. And all we're going to use it for is to stick it onto there and then glue that on there, and then maybe we could put some string and hang it up from the top of a tree or something.
I'm just going to glue this for Liv.
Yeah, so hot glue guns are the best thing ever for crafty people.
Put it in.
So we're going to hold that there for a second, and that should stick. Now it only takes a few seconds to go cold, and once it's cold, that means the glue's set. So if you pick that up, that might even have stuck.
Yeah.
Ta-da! Good?
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Come on, let's stick together.
Woo! We've been outside to get some twigs and sticks to put on the inside of our feeders. So now I'm going to make the hole at the bottom of my flat. So to do that, I'm going to do it like an X with the knife. So it goes like 1 and then 2 like that. And then with my stick, you put it through here to make it like that.
And then we're going to glue that, aren't we, to keep it in
Yeah.
place. Right, let's all put our sticks on.
You know what's gotta be done. Move it, move it, move it.
We put our sticks on now.
Okay, so let's have a look at each one.
So they just went straight through
Okay,
like that.
so now you've got somewhere the bird to sit while it's eating its lunch. So what do we need to put on next? How are we going to hang it?
String.
String. Okay, so what we need to do is make it hang like this, so we can put it in a tree or hang it from your window or whatever, anywhere that a bird can get to it to take some of the feed. So if I tie string around the centre there, really easy, and then I make a loop at the top, it'll be able to hang straight like that, and we do that with all of them.
So here it is all finished. We've attached the sticks and the string, and now we're going to put it in the tree and add the bird seed.
How cool is that?
I'm going to put mine up here.
I've had mine here, so I'm gonna fill it with seed.
Perfect.
I think that's quite cool.
That is quite cool.
Okay, I found a cool little spot. So I'll take the food in.
There you go, guys. That's how easy it is to make a bird feeder. A what? A bird feeder out of recycled
Bits and bobs.
bits and bobs. Join us in the next few
Weeks.
weeks where we'll be making more of this stuff. So,
See you later.
Bye.